Today, we will talk about how to clean smoke damage. Let's have a look at the details. In the aftermath of a house fire, there is a sizable secondary task of replacing all destroyed property and cleaning what remains. In order to repair and recover your damaged property, you will want to clean the smoke and soot damage from walls, textiles, clothing, and furniture, and remove the smoky odor as well. The first step is beginning the cleaning process after a fire. Get permission from a fire marshal to safely re-enter your home. Do not enter a house or other building affected by fire until you have received word from a professional that it is safe to do so. Allow fresh air to circulate. This will help clear the building of any residual smoke, minimize the smoke odor, and provide fresh and soot-free air for you to breathe. Dry wet items before attempting to clean smoke damage. Fans and dehumidifiers will help with this task. The second step is cleaning smoke damage from your walls and ceiling. Ensure the area is properly ventilated, otherwise, combining harsh fumes from smoke with cleaning products can irritate your lungs. Wear safety goggles and heavy-duty gloves. In addition, try to wear old clothes that you don't mind getting stained and ruined. Place a drop cloth on the floor. This will help to avoid transferring soot stains to the carpet or flooring. Get rid of loose soot on the surface of the walls. This can be done with a vacuum cleaner or with a dry chemical sponge. Remove soot with trisodium phosphate (TSP) solution. A popular cleaner for smoke-damaged walls is trisodium phosphate. Look for a commercial cleaning product. There are many good commercial cleaning products designed to remove soot from walls, as well as other surfaces. Attempt to remove the smoke odor from your walls. After you clean off the soot, you will need to deal with the smoke odor. Consult a smoke damage professional if you have severe smoke damage in your home. The third step is cleaning smoke damage from household textiles. Remove soot from textiles with a vacuum cleaner. Deodorize household textiles. Clean household textiles thoroughly. Wash any machine washable items in warm water using your normal liquid detergent. Several washings may be needed to get these items as clean as possible. It is highly recommended that you leave the carpet cleaning to the professionals to fully deodorize and rid your carpets of smoke damage. The fourth step is cleaning smoke damage from clothing. Sort what can be salvaged from what is beyond repair. Any clothing with burn holes or severe damage should be discarded. Remove as much soot as possible from your clothing. Clean the smoke damage from your clothing. Controlled research has shown that fire-damaged clothing is best cleaned by different methods, according to the fabric content. Using a specific cleaning method tailored to the fabric content of your clothing will help salvage as much clothing as possible. Deodorize your clothing. Avoid dry cleaning if possible. It will not fully remove the smoke odor from clothing. Contact a professional if the smell of smoke lingers. They will be able to perform an ozone treatment on your clothes that will destroy the smoke molecules and the smell as well. And the fifth step is cleaning smoke damage from furniture. Clean your wood furniture. You will want to treat your wood furniture gently to avoid stripping off the finish or causing any permanent damage. Clean your leather furniture. Cleaning leather furniture can be tricky because it must be treated gently and cannot be shampooed like fabric. Clean your fabric furniture. You can also add 1 cup of white vinegar to the washing water in order to increase the power of odor removal. Sprinkle baking soda with a little bit of salt over the entire surface of the affected furniture. Baking soda is a well-known odor absorber. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.